Now the next question, gases and instruments mentioned in the lesson. कौन कौन से गैजेस और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स इस लेसन के अंदर आए हैं? इंडक्शन मोटर विच कैन कन्वर्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक करंट इनटू कंटिन्यूअस मैकेनिकल डिवाइस. अब इसी तरह से नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड आउट मोर अबाउट फॉलोइंग साइंटिस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट. माइकल फैराडे, हम्फ्री डेवी, थॉमस एडिशन, जेम्स मैक्सवेल. इनके बारे में आपको ढूंढ के इंटरनेट से निकालना है. तो माइकल फैराडे was an English scientist who made discoveries related to electromagnetism and electrochemistry. His main inventions are the electromagnetic induction, diamagnetism, and electrolysis. He also discovered benzene, chlorine, and carbon. He was inspired many other researchers like Albert Einstein, Ernest Rutherford, APJ Abdul Kalam, and few more like them. He was born in Newington Butts, London, but he had received prestigious awards like Royal Medal and Copley Medal. So ये माइकल फैराडे की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको बतानी है, सर्च करके हम लोगों ने निकाला ये. नेक्स्ट उसके बाद में हम्फ्री डेवी. Humphrey Davy was a chemist and inventor. He is known for isolating substances like potassium, sodium, calcium, strontium, barium, magnesium, and boron for the first time. He invented the new field of electrochemistry. He was a baronet, a president of Royal Society, and a fellow of the Geological Society. He was born in a place where belief in supernatural powers and superstition was very strong, but he had a scientific temperament. He created the first incandescent light by passing an electric current through a thin strip of platinum. He published many books on his research and also wrote various articles on chemistry. सो ये डेवी की इंफॉर्मेशन है. डेवी जो था वो एक केमिस्ट इन्वेंटर है. उसके बाद में उसने जो था पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, स्टोनियम, बैरियम, मैग्नीशियम, ये सब के ऊपर पहली बार काम किया था. इसी तरह से उसने इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री के ऊपर भी काम किया और उसने कई सारी किताबें लिखी है. थॉमस एडिशन, ये सबको पता है. थॉमस अल्वा एडिशन वॉज एन अमेरिकन इन्वेंटर एंड अ बिजनेसमैन फेमस फॉर हिज इन्वेंशन ऑफ द कंसिस्टेंट लाइट बल्ब. He developed devices like phonograph, motion picture camera, and many other devices. He is known to have set up the first industrial research laboratory. He worked as a telegraph operator in the beginning of his career, but later achieved great success in the field of science. He was born in Milan, Ohio. He was homeschooled and had hearing problem from an early age. He founded 14 companies including General Electric. He had won many awards including the John Scott Medal and the membership of National Academy of Sciences. आपके सामने थॉमस अल्वा एडिशन की इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरनेट से निकाल के दिखाई गई है कि किस तरह से एडिशन ने वो कौन है, क्या काम किया उसने. अब जेम्स क्लार्क मैक्सवेल वॉज बॉर्न इन Edinburgh, Scotland. His discoveries ushered in the modern era in physics. He has laid the foundation in the fields of special relativity and quantum physics. Maxwell equation, Maxwell distribution, generalized Maxwell model are few of his famous inventions. His parents had identified his talent and potential at an early age and provided him with an enriching education. He has won the Rumford Medal and Smith's Prize. मैक्सवेल जो हमारे फिज़िक्स जो साइंस की एक जो फील्ड है उसके अंदर उन्होंने बहुत सारा काम किया है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द लैंग्वेज स्टडी. फाइंड द फॉलोइंग मैटर इन द पैसेज एंड कॉपी द मिसिंग वर्ड्स. When he was 12, his mother was forced to take him out of the school. जब वो 12 साल का था उसके मदर को फोर्स किया गया कि उसको स्कूल से निकाल लिया जाए. One day he come across a book on electricity. Faraday decided that he wanted to be a scientist. David never believed Faraday can do anything in the field of science. People started telling David that all of his discoveries the best was Faraday. He handed him a a piece of Bavian glass which was used in the lenses in telescope and microscopes. He went on to prove that these patterns were not a property of iron filings. It was Maxwell who translated Faraday's ideas into a set of equations. So ये आप देखेंगे Phillips. Now complete the following sentences using your own word. When he was 12, one day he come across a book on. He decided that he never believed. When he was 12, he was visited Rajasthan along with his family. One day he come across a book on the adventure of the globe traveler. He decided that he will complete his work before beginning the book. He never believed that angels or demons existed. People started telling Jayesh that he was looking healthier than before. He handed him a device which detected the change in the mood of a person. He went on to prove that the laws was discriminating and outdated. It was Samyak who spotted the red